Hi, I'm Rare Crypto, and today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin. Let's go. Jumping into the charts. Alright, so what we're looking at here is we're looking at the monthly chart of Bitcoin and USD, and what can we see here? We can see that in the month of February, we started off with a sell-off. Well, why do I say sell-off? We don't have a body of a candle, we have a wick, and the wick is above our resistance line that we set at 23K, okay? And if we look in the month of January, we have a bullish engulfing candle. So to me, looking at this particular candle in the year of 2023, this is bullish. All right, now it's time for the MACD. All right, so looking at the MACD on the monthly chart, we can see that, hey, that red did turn to pink as we covered, and we can see that, hey, it's becoming smaller, indicating that, hey, the bottom is in. All right, if we look left, every time we had this particular red turn to pink on the monthly candle, that indicates that, hey, the bottom is in. And let's go to the weekly chart. On the weekly chart, we can see that, hey, we have the blue over the orange, indicating that, hey, we are in the fast lane, meaning that prices is going up or momentum is going up. My apologies. Let's go down to the daily chart. On the daily chart, however, we can see that on the MACD, we do have the orange over the blue. We can see that, hey, on our resistance line that we have on the monthly, there is some trouble on that line. So we haven't had a body close above that 23K. Now it's time for the indicators. All right, so looking at the indicators on the weekly chart, what do we see here? So what we have is we have the Bollinger Bands, the stochastic RSI, the RSI, and the MFI. So straight off the jump on the stochastic RSI, what do I see? I see a cross here where we have the blue intersecting with the orange, indicating that the orange could be coming over the blue this week. All right, now let's go down to the daily chart. On the daily, we can see that we did have a cross here, and we can see that the orange is over the blue, indicating that the fast lane is over. So indicating that prices should come downward. However, when we look at the stochastic RSI, we were in that overbought territory for a minute, and prices still held in that particular range. So looking at this, to me, that is a good sign. So analyzing this, what do I anticipate to happen this week? Let's go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the two-day chart. And on the two-day chart, what I can see is we have the orange over the blue on the stochastic RSI. The RSI is still in that overbought territory, and I do see the MFI going downwards. All right. So at this time, when we looked at the monthly chart, we can see that, okay, we do have sell-off around that resistance area at 23K, which is kind of scary. So knowing this week, I anticipate it to be kind of boring. I'm going to pull back up this Bollinger Bands area. I consider us to be in this tight range in the Bollinger Bands, okay? And if we look at support and resistance, I want to do a support line. I want to draw my support line at this 20K area. And I'm going to show you guys something cool. You may say, why did you draw that so quick? When I look left, I saw a body, and I went with a wick. If we look left, I changed the time frame from the daily to the weekly. We can see that that clearly aligns with my line that I drew at 20K range. Okay, so that's what I'm watching for this week. I'm anticipating maybe a price drop, and we may touch this 20K area. I anticipate a lot of buyers to be around this range. If not, prices could come back down within that 20 to 17K range. All right, so other than that, this has been my 3-minute TA. If you liked what you saw today, hit that subscribe button and let's go. Rare Crypto.
Rare Crypto for the people. Rare Crypto for the people. Financial freedom. Rare